Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, today I am going to start exercise 4.4 from the book of M.L. Agarwal, and today I am going to start from sum number 11. Okay, for the first part of this video, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here sum number 11.1, the given problem is 5x square plus 17xy minus 12y square. Okay, so here the coefficient of x square is 5 and the coefficient of y square is 12. So first you have to multiply 5 into 12, that becomes 60. Okay, then factorize 60, 30, 15, 5. So you have now 2, 2, 3, 5 as the factors. Now with the help of 2, 2, 3, 5 we have to make 17. So here 5 into 3 it's become 15 and 2 into 4. So 15 plus 4 it's 19, not 17. Then next one here 5 into 2 into 2. Okay, so 5 into 2 into 2 it's become 20. Now 20 minus 3, that becomes 17. So write down here 5x square plus 20xy minus 3xy minus 12y square. So here 5x will be common, so it becomes x plus 4y. Here 3y will be common, so x plus 4y. So x plus 4y and the rest of part 5x, here minus 3y. So that is the final answer. Now next one, sum number 11.2. In sum number 11.2, x square y square minus 8xy minus 48. Okay, so here the coefficient of x square y square is 1. So 48 into 1, it becomes 48. Now factorize 48, 24, then 12, then 3, 4, then again 2, 2. So now you have 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. You have to make 8. Okay, so here 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, it's 12. Now 12 minus 2 into 4. So 12 minus 4, it becomes 8. So x square y square minus 12xy plus 4xy minus 48. So from the first two terms you have to common here xy, so it becomes xy minus 12, and here 4 will be common, so xy minus 12. So the final answer will be xy minus 12 and xy plus 4. Now sum number 12.1. In sum number 12.1, here 2a square b square minus 7ab minus 30. So here first 2 into 30, that becomes 60. So you can factorize 60, it becomes 30 and then 15 and then 3, 5. Okay, now with the help of 2, 2, 3, 5, you have to make here 7. So here 3 into 2, 4, sorry, 2 into 4, 4 into 3, it's 12. Now 12 minus 5, it becomes 7. So 2a square b square minus 12ab plus 5ab minus 30. So here 2ab common, so ab minus 6, here 5 will be common, so ab minus 6. So the answer will be ab minus 6 and 2ab plus 5. Now next 12.2. In 12.2, a into 2a minus b, then minus b square. So just multiply with here 2a square minus ab minus b square. So here a square coefficient is 2, b square coefficient is 1. So 2 into 1, that means factorize 2 and 1. So you can write here 2ab plus ab. Okay, minus 2ab plus ab, it becomes minus ab. So minus b square. So in the first two term, 2a will be common, so a minus b. Here b will be common, so a minus b. So here the answer is a minus b into 2a plus b. Now sum number 13. So in sum number 13, then 1 and 2 are similar kind of problem. So I'm going to solve sum number 13 too. So here 2x minus y whole square, then 11 2x minus y, and then plus 28. Okay, so here the coefficient of this portion is 1 and here 28. So 1 into 28, it becomes 28. So factorize 28. So 2, 2 and 7. Okay, so now here is 11. So here to make this 11 you have to use these factors, that means 2, 2 and 7. So 2 into 2 is become 4 and here 7. So 7 plus 4 it becomes 11. So you can write here 2x minus y whole square. Now instead of 11 this one, first write down 7 into 2x minus y and then minus 4 into 2x minus y. Okay, 7 into 2x minus y minus 4 into 2x minus y, it becomes 11 2x minus y plus 28. So now from the first two terms here 2x minus y will be common, so the remaining portion is 2x minus y from the first part, as here square, so 1 will be common, then the rest of 1 will be there, then minus 7. And from the next one, if 4 will be common, so 2x minus y, and as here plus, here common minus, so minus, that will be minus 7. Okay, so the final answer will be 2x minus y minus 7, and the rest of the part 2x minus y minus 4. Okay, so in this way you can solve this problem. You can also solve this problem by considering this one as a. Suppose let 2x minus y that equal to a. Okay, so then the following expression will be changed into a square minus 11a plus 28. Okay, so now you can solve this expression as a square minus 7a minus 4a plus 28. So there will be, you will get a minus 7 and then a minus 4. Now put down the value of a and write down here in the place of a 2x minus y, so you will get the same answer. So this is a two method. You can solve this problem directly, or you can assume the same portion as another alphabetical number like a, b, c, d, anything else. Okay, now sum number 14. In sum number 14(1), here 4 into a minus 1 whole square and then 4 into a minus 1 then minus 3. Okay, so first let a minus 1 as x. So the given expression will be 4x square then 4x minus 3. Okay, so here 4 into 3 it becomes 12. So factorize 12. So now you have to make 4. Okay, so you have 3 into 2 6. Now 6 minus 2 it becomes 4. So here 6x plus 2x minus 3. So here 2x will be common, so it's 2x minus 3. Here 1 will be common, so it becomes 2x minus 3. So here finally 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 1. Okay, now you have to put down the value of x. So as here 2x, so here x equal to a minus 1, then 2x equal to 2 into a minus 1 minus 3, and here 2 into a minus 1 plus 1. So finally 2a minus 2 minus 3, here 2a minus 2 plus 1. So the final answer will be 2a minus 5 and here 2a minus 1. Now next problem, sum number 14(2). So here 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 3a plus b whole square. So here if 2 will be common, it becomes 1 plus a plus b. So here a plus b whole square. Okay, now you can let a plus b as x. So write down 1 minus 2x minus 3 x square. Okay, so 1 into 3, 1 into 3, that becomes 3. So factorize 3, so 3 into 1. Okay, so now you have to make 2. So that means 3x plus x, it becomes minus 2x. So from the first two terms 1 will be common, so 1 minus 3x. From the next two term x will be common, so 1 minus 3x. So here 1 minus 3x into 1 plus 2x. Now you know you have to put down the value of x. So the final answer will be 1 minus 3 into a plus b, and here 1 plus a plus b. So that will be 1 minus 3a minus 3b, and here 1 plus a plus b. That is the final answer. Okay, now sum number 15(1) as same as sum number 14(2). So I hope you can do it. So here sum number 15(2). In sum number 15 2, a to the power 4 minus 11 a square plus 10. So factorize 10, it becomes 2 5 and then 5 1. Okay, so that means here 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 1 it becomes 11. So a to the power 4 minus 10 a square minus a square plus 10. So if a square will be common, it becomes a square minus 10. Here minus 1 will be common, so a square minus 10. Then it will be a square minus 10 and here a square minus 1. Okay, now from the first term, here a square minus 10 will be there, and for the next term you can change a square as a whole square and 1 as 1 whole square. So you can here easily apply the formula of a square minus b square. And you know the formula. What is the formula of a square minus square? It will be a plus b and a minus b. So you can write here a plus 1 and a minus 1. So that is your final answer. Now sum number 16. Sum number 16 1. X plus 4 whole square minus 5xy minus 20y minus 6y square. Okay, so here x plus 4 whole square, and you have to common 5y from here, from these two portion. If 5y will be common, so it will be also x plus 4 and the rest part minus 6y square. Okay, now you have here x plus 4, here also x plus 4. So let x plus 4 as a. So the given expression will be a square minus 5ay minus 6y square. Okay, so here 6 means 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 and 3, that means here if a square 5a, so you can make this 5a by with the help of 6 minus 1. So here 6ay plus ay minus 6y square. Okay, now you can ask me, as here 3 plus 2 also 5. Okay, so if you consider as 3 plus 2 5, that means a square minus 3y minus 2ay minus 6y square. So if you common here, so it will be a minus 3y, and if you common here, it will be a plus 3y. Okay, a plus 3y. But as I said before that these two terms will be always identically same. So that's why here you cannot take 3 plus 2 as 5. Here you have to consider 6 minus 1 as 5. Okay, so from the first two term the common will be a, so a minus 6y. Next two term y, so a minus 6y. So here these two terms are identically same, so this is wrong and this one is right. So a minus 6y and here a plus y. Now just put down the value of here a. So a means x plus 4, so x plus 4 minus 6y, and here x plus 4 plus y. That is your final answer. Now sum number 16 2 are as same as sum number 16 1. Here x square minus 2x is the common term, so you can let x square minus 2x as a. So the given expression will be a square minus 23a plus 120. Okay, then you have to factorize 120 to get 23. Here the answer will be 15 and 8. Okay, from 15 and 8 you will get 23. Okay, so a square minus 15a minus 8a plus 120. Okay, so now you can easily solve out this problem, and don't forget to put the value of a, that means x square minus 2x. Okay, remember that. Okay, now sum number 17. Okay, so if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, with your family members, and please help others. Okay, so here 2a minus 3 and a minus 1. So 2a minus 3 are here 2 times, a minus 1 also 2 times. So first here let 2a minus 3 as x and a minus 1 as y. So the given expression will be 4x square 3xy minus 7y square. Okay, so 7 into 4 it becomes 28. So 28 it's 14, so 7. So 7 to 2. Okay, that means 7 minus 4, that equal to 3. So 4x square minus 7xy minus 4xy. So that equal to minus, sorry. So here 4x square minus 3xy minus 7y square. So factorize of 28, it's 2 to 7. then 7 minus 4 it becomes 3, sorry, it will be plus. So 4x square minus 7xy plus 4xy minus 7y square. So from the first two term x will be common, so 4x minus 7y. From the next two term y will be common, so 4x minus 7y. So here 4x minus 7y and x plus y. Okay, now you have to just put down the value of x. So as here 4x means 4 into this one, so 4 into 2a it's 8a, 4 into 3 it becomes minus 12, then minus 7 into a, so 7a, and here minus, so plus 7. Rest portion is 2a minus 3 plus a minus 1. So here a minus 5, and here 2a plus it's 3a, so 3a minus 4. Okay, so the final answer is a minus 5 and 3a minus 4. So here the last sum in this exercise, sum number 18. 2x square plus 5x into 2x square plus 5x minus 19 plus 84. So here 2x square plus 2x square plus 5x, let it be let as a. So that means the given expression will be a into a minus 19 plus 84. Okay, so it becomes a square minus 19a plus 84. Now factorize 84, 42, 21, 37. Okay, so here 3 into 2 into 2, so it becomes 12. 12 plus 7 it's 19. So a square minus 12a minus 7a plus 84. So here a minus 12 and a minus 7, these two are the factors. Okay, a minus 12 and a minus 7. Now put down the value. So 2x square plus 5x minus 12, and the second one 2x square plus 5x minus 7. Now here again you have to factorize these two expressions. So from the first one is 12 and 2 it's 24. So 24 means 12 and then 3 4. Okay, and then 2 2. Here the factors are 2 3 2 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 8, 8 minus 3 it becomes 5. So here 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. The next one 7 into 2 it's become 14. So 14 means 2 into 7. So 7 minus 2 it becomes also 5. So here 7x minus 2x minus 7. Okay, so from the first two term if 2x will be common, so it becomes x plus 4. So here x plus 4 and the next factor are 2x minus 3. And from this one if x will be common, so here 2x plus 7 and next one x minus 1. Okay, so these four are the factors and that is the final answer of this problem.